Right. There's a question based on the iterative function from CAT 2022 slot. Let's see what given here. Suppose for all integers x, there are two functions f and g such that f of x plus f of x minus 1 is equal to 0. So can we say f of x must be equal to 1 minus f of x minus 1? Yes or no? For all integers x. So whatever may be the input. And you also know that g of x is equal to x squared. These are the two functions given. But effectively, we don't know the value of f of x here. Then, can I say if I know the value of f of 2, f of 3 will be equal to 1 minus f of 2. F of 4 will be equal to 1 minus f of 3. That means if you know the value of f of x, you can easily calculate the value of f of x plus 1, x plus 2, and so on. And you also know that f of x square minus x is equal to 5. Let's try to use this one. F of x square minus x is equal to 5. Yes or no? So when you put x equal to 2, what do we get here? If you put x equal to 2 here, you get f of 2 square 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. You get f of 2 is equal to 5. So if you know that f of 2 equal to 5, f of 2 equal to 5, you can easily calculate the value of f of 3. Look at this one. F of 3 must be equal to 1 minus f of 3 minus 1. That is f of 2. F of 2 is equal to 5. So f of 3 becomes 1 minus 5. That is equal to minus. Yes, or no? Now, can you calculate the value of f of 4? F of 4 has to be 1 minus f of 3. 1 minus 4 is again 5. So f of 4 is 5. Now, can you calculate the value of f of 5? F of 5 has to be 1 minus f of 4. What is f of 4? It's 5. So you get minus 4 again. So look at this, when the input is odd, you get minus 4. When the input is even, you get 5. Input is odd, you get minus 4. So for every odd input, this fx will give you minus 4. And for every even input, it will give you 5. Now let's look at the question. You need to find f of g of 5. F of g of 5 plus g of f of 5. Yes or no? You are looking for these values. Fine. F of g of 5. What is g of 5? I'll be using this function. G of 5 should be 5 square. That is 25. So f of 25 plus g of f of 3. 3 is an odd input. And we know that for every odd input, the answer is minus 4. So I'm looking for g of minus 4. Yes or no? Now, what was g of 5? G of 5 was 25. F of 25. 25 is an odd input. For every odd input, the answer is minus 4. So I should write minus 4 here. Plus g of minus 4. G of minus 4 has to be minus 4 square. Minus 4 square is 16. 16 minus 4 will give you how much? 12. So the answer has to be 12.